Dear students, we are going to start another new topic, and this is what is finance. So it is a very much popular topic in our life. So, what is finance? Firstly, I would like to define what is finance. Finance means it is the process of transferring fund from surplus economic unit to deficit economic unit. আমাদের সমাজে তিন ধরনের প্রতিষ্ঠান, ব্যক্তি, প্রতিষ্ঠান এবং সরকার। ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল, অর্গানাইজেশন অ্যান্ড গভর্নমেন্ট। এদের একজনের কাছ থেকে আরেকজনের কাছে ফান্ড ট্রান্সফার হওয়ার যে পদ্ধতি, মূলত সেটাকে আমরা বলে থাকি ফাইন্যান্স। So what is finance? Finance is the process of transferring fund from surplus economic unit to deficit economic unit. Fund may be transferred from one individual to another individual. Fund may be transferred from individual to organization. Fund may be transferred from organization to individual or organization to organization. Sometimes we are paying tax to the government, so fund may be transferred from individual to government, organization to government. Sometimes government provides fund to us, so that means fund may be transferred from government to individual or from government to organization. Simply, finance is the process of transferring fund. So some other good definitions of finance are given in the textbook. Somebody says finance is the study of how to make good decisions that involve money. Another scholars argued that the science or finance is the science and arts of managing money. Well, so simply, this is the finance. Mind one thing: finance is the process of transferring fund. This finance has lots of areas to discuss, lots of discussing issues. So I would like to mention some of these areas which we should have to discuss in our course. So first important thing of finance, that is capital. You know, capital is one of the important factors of production. Land, labor, capital, these are the factors. So how does a business organization or a corporation or government can finance, can financing, can raise its capital, can collect its capital? Finance will discuss this issue. And you know, capital has two parts. One is called debt, another one is called equity. That means borrowed fund. So finance also discussed how you can borrow money from others. Next, this is tax. So tax is one of the important issues or areas of finance. Tax is the fixed charge on your income which you have to pay to the government. Then asset. Asset means resources. Asset means resources. So finance discuss current asset and fixed asset for the organization or for the government. Then another important thing, this is called cash flow. If you are engaged in business or if you are engaged in any service, at the end of every month, at the end of every year, okay, cash flows are coming to you. When money comes to your pocket, this is called cash inflow. When money goes from the business, that is called cash outflow. So finance also discuss cash inflow and cash outflow. Well, after financing, the organization should have to invest. Investment means utilization of fund, and financing means collection of fund. So after collecting fund, an organization should have to invest or utilize the fund in profitable way. So mind, this is financing and this is investment, totally opposite of one after another. Okay, next issues of finance, that is called income. Okay, after paying all sorts of expenses, how much rest of the money at the hand of the business, this is called income, revenue. And then dividend. Dividend is a part of profit which is distributed among the partner or among the shareholders at the end of every accounting year. Dividend may be classified into cash dividend or bonus share. Well, so finance, the next issues of finance is currency, foreign currency or domestic currency. You know, dollar, pound, euro, yen. These are the currencies. So sometimes you need to exchange one currency into another currency. Dollar may be converted into taka, taka may be converted into Great Britain pound. So currency buying and selling conversion, this is another issues of finance. So next thing that is called portfolio. It is a part of risk management. Portfolio means a bundle of assets, okay, making together to minimize the risk. Well, another crucial areas of finance is the cost of capital. Cost of capital. You know, capital has several parts. These are loan, that means debt, then equity, return earnings. Okay, so managing these elements of capital, the organization should have to spend some cost. This is called cost of capital. We said this finances lots of things, but in short, as it is our fundamental course, we just mention some of these important issues and areas of finance. Inshallah, in my next lecture, I will discuss what are the subject areas of finance, that means types of finance. So, my dear students, stay with us, uh, subscribe the channel, then you will